So many people buys gaming laptops for their portability, but are they actually portable? I don't think so. So in today's video, I am going to make my gaming laptop more portable. Hi, this is MK, thanks for watching. I know I'm a small YouTuber, so you might not like and subscribe, but if you do, love you, thanks. So this is my gaming laptop. It's an Nitro 5 RTX 4060 with 5 to 6 pounds of laptop weight and 2 to 3 pounds of charger weight. And if you use it on max settings, the GPU only draws power of max 110 watts. So why need a heavy 300 watts charger when this laptop runs on less than 150 watts power? So we will replace it with a compact charger to reduce the weight and see if it performs the same or not. So I wasn't able to find a 150 watt charger in good price, but was able to get this 100 watt charger. So let's see how it performs. So after plugging USB-C, you can see it's charging, but still it's not unlocking the maximum performance mode on laptop. So basically gaming laptops can't perform the same on battery as they do when plugged in because they reduce the battery time a lot. That would totally be the meaning of it being a laptop. So companies runs this GPU at max 30 watt on power, but still they don't give stable 30 watts of performance. So it's not possible to game on battery. And this charger is charging and provide 100 watt, but laptop is still on battery mode, then in power. So that means we cannot game in it. So to solve it, there's only one thing that we can do, and that is enable max switch. So for those who don't know what it is, it basically reduces automatically changing of integrated graphics like your Intel or AMD CPU have an integrated graphics card that is RTX 4060. So they changes according to the task and saves power. But in USB-C charger's case, we have power, so we don't need to worry about it. So after enabling it, laptop will only use NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU for every big and small work. So it makes 30 watt gaming more stable and playable. So here you can see difference of gaming by plugged in USB-C charger on max switch and without max switch on. So now we can travel and do medium gaming on our laptop without carrying that bulky charger as well. So the charger I use is from company Ldnio and I got it in only $22, which is totally worth it. And must-reach setting is mostly on new models gaming laptops. So you need to find in internet that your laptop have max switch or not and how to enable it. I hope you like my work. I'm a YouTuber with only one hand working, so my videos will be focused on light paid mini text. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.